The street we walked along seemed bustling with activity. Peddlers and traders approached me, hesitantly, as I noticed my armed escort, but were still persistent nonetheless. As we entered a piazza of sorts, I felt my senses assaulted with the sounds and the smells of this foreign place. A hive of trading activity. The market had been topped with barrels of salts and spices, an array of fresh goods from across the Arabian Peninsula, to the finest fabrics lining the walls of the square. All could be found here. Through bearded curtains, I could see men and women sharing a pipe. The smell was similar to the scent I had encountered on the breath of the man who had come to greet me upon my arrival at the docks earlier. This had to be the hashish, the well-known substance enjoyed in this region. I noticed a lady seated up high on a platform, gazing down upon me. My guard noticed her as well. They exchanged tense glances for a time. We turned a corner beyond more street traders. Suddenly, I gazed up in awe at the size of the inner palace. The gates looming ahead seemed to open up by their own accord as the guard approached, revealing the lavish interior courtyard and its thick golden doors. I could smell flowers, sweet and fragrant, a feeling of moisture in my throat as I gazed up to the sight of the hanging guards. As we entered the palace, the sounds hushed and the scent